Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to release question number 93 for the CST questions for Algebra 2. So here's what it says. We got a box contains 7 large red marbles, 5 large yellow marbles, 3 small red marbles, and 5 small yellow marbles. If a marble is drawn at random, what is the probability that it is yellow, given that it is one of the large marbles? So given that, now unless we're told otherwise, we can assume the probability of selecting any particular marble is the same from one to the next, even though in this question I think that's a little ambiguous. Even though it says large and small, I think the probability of picking a large one might be larger or more than the small one, but we're not going to assume that. We're just going to assume it's the same from one to the next. So this box, it's got red, it's got yellow. I'm going to put that over here because I'm going to actually draw things in this box. This is going to be a very simplistic box right there. We've got 7 large red ones. So 7 of the red ones. These red ones. I'm not going to draw 7 of them. I'm just going to write the number 7 on there. 5 large yellow ones. So 5 large yellow ones. Oops, not what I want to do there. There we go. Ugly looking 5. I'm not very good at writing 5s. A student pointed that out once to me, and I'm like, you know what? You're right, but you're going to have to deal with it. I'm sorry. I'll work on it, but let's see your 5s, and then they couldn't really do any better than I was doing. That's pretty good. There's a 5. So that is the correct number, too. I didn't just write a 5 for fun. Then we have 5 small yellow marbles as well. And so how many marbles total do we have here? Well, we've got 7, 5, that's 12. We've got 8 small ones, so we've got 20 total. But you got to read the question carefully here. What is the probability that it is yellow? So what's the probability of yellow? The chance of yellow goes on the top over, is it the total? Well, no, not exactly in this case. It's not just 20. It's the total over the given total. If it says given that it is one of the large marbles, we only have these ones to choose from. These ones are not in play because it says given that. So we have yellow over the large marbles. And so how many are yellow given that it's one of the large marbles? So we're not even looking at these. Those are not in play because we have to assume, based on the way the question's worded, we have to assume we're only looking at or only selecting from the large marbles. So we have 12 large marbles to choose from, and of those 5 are yellow. So my final answer for this one, that's not reducible, can't be simplified anymore. 93. Choice A.